How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect a wired headset to your Xbox Series S or X or your Xbox One controller as well. That will work for Xbox One as well. So first, what you just need any wired headset. This is an old headset, as you can see. The ear pad is falling off like that. So, but anyway, it will still work with this regardless. Anything that has an audio headphone jack like this, you'll just plug it in to the headphone jack port right there. And once you plug that in, you'll see that these will highlight. And just to get there, to adjust the volume and stuff, what you'll do is you'll hit the Xbox button, you'll go all the way down, and you'll go to audio and music from there, and you can adjust it there as well. You can turn your mic on and off, whatever. Now, if you want to go to settings, you can do it as well. Go to settings, go to general, audio, video and audio, volume and audio output, and you can change those settings from there as well. Now, it will work even if you have, so if you have like a headset that needs one, you can just go get like a jack, a headphone jack or something like that, and you can just plug those in and plug it into your headset as well. And a lot of wireless headsets will have that as well. You can just go get an audio jack and stuff like that. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.